Mabuhay! This is Mr. Criminology at sa video na ito gusto kong share sa inyo ang basic way on how to reload your magazine using quick reloader at ang basic part ng isang pistol firearm, specifically ang Glock 43X. Hope you will enjoy the video. Loader para mas mabilis ang pag-reload ng magazine natin. Okay, so pinapasok sa magazine at pinipress ito like this. Lalagyan tayo ng bullet, mas mabilis. This, then ganun lang. Release mo yung pagkaka-press mo up and then down. Press ulit, mas mabilis. This is for quick reloading of your magazine. The capacity of this magazine is 16 rounds. Of course, you can always do it manually kasi yun naman talaga yung usual to mag-refill ng bullet sa yung magazine. Pero ideal lang kapag merong quick reloader for firing, mas mabilis tayo. So, pagka nag-firing ka, this is the best na meron ka para mabilis ang pag-reload mo. Ma-enjoy mo yung shooting. So, that's all. Capacity na. Now, para sa pag-assemble and assemble ng firearm, this is Glock 43X. Usually, slide mo lang ng konti. Meron dyang slide lock, press down, pull the trigger, and mag-slide na yan. And then, yung frame, yung slide, tanggalin mo yung spring recoil, and then yung barrel, and then our slide. Pag-assemble naman, just get the slide, then place the barrel. Next is the spring recoil, and then sa frame meron niyang release, make sure na naka-align, and then slide, and then test fire. Okay, that's safe na. This is now the tactical shooting. Usually sa tactical shooting ay 1-1-2-1-1, and this is
load
the
and make
test
ready.
fire na ginawa ko.
Okay. Holster. Shooters, are you ready? Ready. Stand by. This magazine.
Thank you, One Hit Shooting Range, PDTSA. To God be the glory, and Jesus saves.